Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good night, everyone, and uh, welcome back to my video in my journey back to the hometown. So now I'm in my first destination. It's a little bit not too far from my home. This is the Masjid Al Jabar. So this is beautiful, right? And and from this mosque to my home, it's not too long, but I have to because now it's the time it's 6 o'clock p.m. So I will uh, pray the Maghrib first before I back to my home. And my friend also have to complete his uh, what do you say? He want to take uh, he want go to the toilet the little bit. So after this we will pray the Maghrib. So thank you for and stay tuned in my video.